washing baby bottles, washing mommy bottles, cooking,
cleaning,
doing the dishes, and watching a video.
No, lagi dormir tranquilo e metta l'altro becchi. Se è taccianza van su comina. Tanto bisogna guardare 6 settimane per si può 6 settimane, 6 settimane di opi. Che vai sciugi na casca, no mi pori. This needs to be arranged because these people are playing way too much with my money. Come on. Jawel.
Kom, goed openmaken. Come on.
Wow, my brain is not braining.
Go away. Go away.
Hi amiga, what is up and welcome back to my channel.
What are you vlogging as mama?
What is up?
Early in the morning. She's what's up amiga, good morning amiga. Zie je? Ze heeft maanden niet gevlogd. Haar handen jeuken er. Dus nu... Oh Saf, ik moet je ook zeggen. I know you didn't sign up for this, but you're part of that vlog life too. Sorry man. I had to go with it too. That's the only thing that I can tell you. Zodat je 18 bent en hier woont, you need to go along. Okay? Okay.
Period. This vlog is going to be us at home, me and Benny in our new role as parents. We came back home a week ago with Safar on Saturday. It's a Monday as I'm filming this. So we have been home with her for a week and we took the time to just enjoy her and try to settle into some routine kind of situation. Not that that's the case already, but we're still trying and working our way around it, letting Safi get to know her environment and all that. And it's going okay. She's 3 weeks old since Saturday, and yeah, it's been fun. It's been challenging, but super rewarding. And when you just see her little face every time that you're tired or whatever, you still think like this is so worth it and it's temporary. So today I thought it would be a good day to pick back up on the vlogs. I'm gonna try to upload every single week from now on, at least once, and whatever I can do extra is great. But I really want to give that a try. I really missed vlogging and I'm trying, or I'm finally feeling like myself again, in the sense that this is becoming like my new life and I feel like it's right. I start to believe that she's mine and ours and things like that. And in the beginning it's just like you feel like a fraud, I would say, as if like, is this my daughter? I can't believe I made this, I can't believe I carried her, and I can't believe this is the person that was in my belly. But now it starts to feel like normal and natural that she is ours, and therefore I'm also starting to feel like myself again. That's what I mean by that. But yeah, I'm gonna take you into like a few days in my life, or maybe a week. We'll see how this goes, and share with you what we have been up to, our new routines, things like that. So yeah, I just finished making some oatmeal that really helps with my milk supply. I'm now going to eat this and pump milk for her. At the moment we give her milk in a bottle, but it is breast milk, so therefore I need to pump milk for her. For my pumping machine I have the Philips Avent. This is a very good machine, and it's stimulating, and it's also good to maintain your supply once it's already started up. So I'm really happy with the machine that I chose. And yeah, for now, we're just gonna get started with this vlog, okay? Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let's go. Alright, Amiga, it is now time to do a little unboxing. I received 2 presents. One from my friend Doris and one from my friend Salwa. So I thought I would do a little unboxing. I'm gonna start with the one from Doris. And it says, enjoy your gift. Een feestje om te geven en om te krijgen. It's a party to give and receive. So let's see what it is. And it is from hippemamabox.nl. Don't know what that is, but let's see. Like that. And then it's just a plain white box. And when you open it, ooh. Whoa. Oh my god, this is so cute. This is so cute. Benny, come look at this. Benny, come look at this. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Kijk dan. Kijk dan.
Why do you sound like Kim Kardashian?
I don't sound like Kim Kardashian.
Oh my god. This is so cute.
Look.
Oh, like Safari or something.
Yeah. Oh. So she has like a little piggy bank. Then you have birth cards, geboortekaartjes. And so unique. I haven't gotten anything like this. Adorable. Has 2 rings, and I think you can add like all the cards that you received. You can add them in between. And then you have your birth cards that you received. Oh, that's so adorable. And then the leukste uitspraken van Safar, her best sayings. And then you can add the date and her age, and then you can write them down. That is so cute for her to have for later. Her name is of course Safar, but Safi is her name Safi is her name for short. So I absolutely love that. So cute and so thoughtful that she also included that. And then she has her schoolfoto book van Safar. And that is all her pictures that she will make in school. I need to go thank Doris for this because this is so adorable. Oh, adorable. Like, look. And then you open it. It has this book is from, of course, it's going to be Safar's. And then it has like little text and things that you can add. So cute. I love this. Wow, my brain is not braining. Wow. Aww. So cute. I love this. Love shit like this. And I wish they kept things like this for me as well when I was a kid. But I think like with this digital time that we're living in right now, it's so much easier to make the pictures. It's not expensive at all. Back in our days, it used to be expensive to develop the pictures and stuff. So I get it, but it would have been nice to have these things to look back on. And if you have that, then please cherish it because it's really unique to have all of that. I do have pictures from when I was little, but that's all I have. And they're just somewhere in a box at my mom's house. But this, to actually have like a book with where you used to be, like what grade and what were your favorite things to do, pictures and stuff, is such a cute way to keep track of your childhood, you know? So I love that. Thank you so much, Doris. Thank you. Safar also says thank you. Next up, we have a gift from Auntie Salwa. So let's open it, even though the packaging kind of gives away what it is. But it's great because this little lady, she's only 3 weeks old, but she doesn't want to take her naps anymore. So sometimes between each like wake window, we need stuff to stimulate her and to play, for her to play with when she's awake. And I think this is a box that will cater to her needs right now. Oh yeah, this is so cute already. I see it. Oh, look. Oh my goodness. She won't be able to do this yet, but this is so cute. I already see her doing tummy time and playing with this in a few months. Let's see, and what else has she got? She has another box with things in it. Oh my god, I love this. Oh, she has a little ball with colors. Yes. The other day I saw a video about the sad beige mom trends. And it was speaking about that colors are really important for the development of a child. So I'm not a sad beige mom, but we do have this apartment that we rent. So we couldn't like do a lot of crazy colors in her room. And therefore her room is pretty neutral. But of course all her toys are gonna be with color. We're not gonna spray paint or not allow her to have any color because it doesn't match our decor. We're not like that. Oh, this is also so cute. Like, look, has a little bun. I think it can roll. Oh, we love that for her. And now we have another toy. Oh, so cute. Thank you so much, Auntie Selua. We appreciate this so much. And for now, I think this is the one that she has to use now. Yes, it has like little cards. But I'm super grateful for this. So thank you so much, Auntie Selua. And the box is from Tuki Toy, I think it's called. Tuki Toy. tukitoy.com. So if you're interested in having this for your baby, then Tuki Toy it is, okay? But thank you, Auntie Salua. We really appreciate this, and this is really something thoughtful that we didn't have already, and that came in the right time because she does not want to take her naps every single window, you know? So we're gonna stimulate her, help her with tummy time. Thank you so much. Mwah. Sophie is now asleep. She's taking a little nap. She's about to wake up, and I am having coffee that Benny made me, and I am also arranging a few things. There's a lot that comes with giving birth and being on maternity leave, so I need to arrange that and see who is gonna pay for what. So I am doing that right now, some little computer work and also some stuff with my insurance. Not fun stuff, but stuff that has to be done regardless. And then after this, I hope to give Safi a diaper change, clean up her body, and also give her a bottle. And then after that, I hope that there is still time for me to shower and get my hair washed. I will shower regardless, but the hair washing, there goes a little bit more time into that. And I do want to do that today because Benny is home, and I want to do that as much as possible when I have his help. Next week he will be starting with his job again, and then wash days will really be something that will be for the weekends. So as long as he's home now, I want to take advantage of that and take care of my hair while I can, you know? And I'm really excited for the first time ever that curly hair season is around the corner, because curly hair is so much easier and quicker when it's wash day than straight hair. I need to blow dry my hair and all of that, and that takes up some time, but it's okay. I'm gonna manage to do that and manifest that it's gonna be okay. So yeah, that's that. I thought I would give you a little update, but I'm quickly gonna take care of this, okay? Dus, er staat Jennifer. Allereerst proficiat met de geboorte van uw dochter. Kan je eens een kijkje nemen op ons employee portal, wat de voorwaarden zijn en hoe aanvragen. Via deze weg dien je ook uw aanvraag te doen. Maar dat heb ik toch allemaal al gedaan? Oh my god. Safi woke up, So now we're changing her real quick before I can finish my emails. She is the most important thing. So, hello lady, aren't you? Come on. Put your hand through. But I absolutely love taking care of her. And so does Benny. Don't you?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's our favorite thing to do now.
Even yelling at me when I do it too much.
What? We were told that we can't spoil her by picking her up too much or cuddling her too much. But we have noticed that she is fine, but she just wants to be picked up and held the whole time. And now we're trying to dose it a little bit because honestly, next week, I'm going to be all alone and I have stuff to do as well. Of course, my main priority of the day is to take care of her. But I will have other stuff to do as well. And therefore, she needs to be able to just lay in her crib if she's okay, if she's not in pain or anything. So we will be cuddling her because she will be this little only once. But she doesn't need to be only dependent on being held the whole time. That's not what we need, huh, mamas? We don't need that. You're fine, you're taken care of, you're loved. But now let's not spoil you, okay? Because now even during the night, she wants to be held. And we can't be doing that all the time. Come on. Jawel. Come. Mama, use this. This is not to be eaten. This is not to be eaten. Yeah, this is not to be eaten, mamas. It's not to be eaten. Hee hee. You're so cute, oh my god. How is it possible for somebody to be this cute? Is that the Safi? Is that the Safi who is ready for the day? Tell them where your outfit is from. Outfit is from Hema. She has something similar, but then in a two-piece, but this is a one-piece jumper. And it's from Hema, the tiniest size that they carry. Huh? And the pacifier is Philips. Other than that, she's not wearing anything special. Diapers are Pampers. Mwah.
Looking good.
Smelling good, huh?
Smelling very good. Als je dit loslaat, kan je eten krijgen.
We have something better. Don't worry.
Zo, laat los. Niet klagen, hè? Kom, goed openmaken. Kom op.
Come on, eat.
Safi, kom dan.
Good so. Good so, mamas. Alright, back to my email. What really also helps me is to make to-do lists, especially now, but also to keep the to-do list realistic. Mom brain is a real thing. So to-do lists really help me. I try to make my to-do list every night, and then in the morning I like to revisit my to-do list. What is priority and what can be done later, things like that, you know. And for today, my salary is really the priority, and Safi, of course. So those two things are really on the top of my list. Other things are fine, they can be done if they can be done, but this needs to be arranged because these people are playing way too much with my money. They really are. And the thing is just, I feel like I'm such a good employee and I don't deserve this mess, but I'm getting basic ass answers when I ask something, and it's annoying. It's really annoying. Just give me the answer that I asked for. Check what I asked you and then give me an appropriate answer, if you get what I'm saying. It's really frustrating. So that's what I'm doing. If you live in Belgium and you are also gonna leave on maternity leave, I really recommend to check ahead of time what you still have to do after you give birth, because there are a lot of things that come to play with that. You need to provide your health insurance with all the information, because they will pick up on the days that you are on maternity leave, and all the other additional stuff like breastfeeding leave, parenting leave, and they also have something that is called tijdskrediet. All those things need to be arranged by your job. And now I'm figuring out, like, how do I start those things up? Do I need to do anything? Because I handled all my requests. I did all my requests already. When I was confronted with surprise when it came to my salary, I decided to check up on everything because maternity leave is for me to relax and be with my baby, and this is not making me feel relaxed. Yeah, just an FYI there, just a tip. Do with that whatever you want. I'm gonna finish this and then see what else I can get done today. Right, Amiga, I finished showering and washing my hair. Now I'm having a little snack. These crackers with hummus. Hummus, I don't know. And I'm going to pump milk before I finish styling my hair, drying it and styling it. So, yep. But at least it's washed, so that was the biggest achievement of the day. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And Benny made me some nursing tea. And we have a full bottle again. Whoop whoop. Hey, this is gold, man. To be able to give this to your baby, I'm loving it. I can't believe that I'm feeding my baby with my body. That's my cue. Even though she's been doing that in her sleep, so I'm not sure if she's gonna be awake. Sometimes she just cries in her sleep. Don't know what that girl's dreaming about. No? Okay. Let's see what Super Daddy is up to. Hello, Super Daddy.
Yo.
What are you up to?
Washing baby bottles. Washing mommy bottles. Cooking.
Cleaning.
Cleaning. Doing the dishes and watching a video.
Wow.
Wow.
What a multitasker.
Yes.
We love a multitasker.
Yes. Otherwise it won't happen, eh?
That is true. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Can I go dry my hair?
Yes, you can.
All right.
How is your baby doing?
She's dreaming and crying in her dream. I wonder what she is dreaming about.
Ask her.
So we both find out now. Yeah. Let's go fix my hair.
Você tá aqui, tá passando? É só aí. Tá bem, bota aqui, bota llora. Aqui, bota só, bota llora, sim. Aí não é eu. Leg mooi bij jou. No, leg je dormir tranquilo e meta lá também aqui. So, esta chance para sua comida. Penta dentro da cozinha, também essa cozinha. Também essa cozinha. Aí bezig, gaan we ook deze mica bij. Maar bij laten we mica bij. Dus ook in deze koffer, sim. Deze koffer para hora me ter uma noite tá seco eu. Tanto pensar me agora 6 man per ram, se agora 6 man, 6 tá de opi. Acabei chujis na casca, não me por. Sim, botar senti na boca besta kishi aqui, não? Não ia me por. E no dia nós tá pondo gewoon in sala. Então, a noite nós tá pondo em camper para nós. Não me dá strafe. Pero vamos botar llora cada vez que você me se corre cuevo. Não. A minha baby também tá me strafe sim, pero eu tenho que comitar assim depois. Não. Não vai ser me bobar, não posso nada. Não. Só bota dormir. Ribaende porque dormir. Não. Sim, ribaende porque dormir para sentir a cair, não pode. Digo bem, não. Tá piche ribe coi bocoto que ela stinke piche dentro para sentar seu baby. Ele tá lá para sentar seu baby. Sí, estimé, verdad. Estimé. Alright, I was on the phone with my mom. I just hanged up, but I'm now gonna start doing my hair. I'm gonna watch some YouTube videos while I do this, just to get this done as soon as possible, because I want to be there when Sophie gets her next feeding. So let's hurry up and get this done. Is done. I did my best, and now I'm gonna go and help with dinner and cuddle with my daughter. Which is so weird to say still. I'm not gonna apply anything else in my hair right now. I just have it in a half up, half down style with a bow. And tomorrow we have a doctor's appointment for Safi and for myself, by the way. So I might do something with my hair tomorrow, but for now I'm just gonna let it breathe because I never even wear my hair down. So I'm gonna try to leave it alone. Alright. Kika pasa. Doe je die zo mama? Ja. Ga je niet slapen? Are you not gonna sleep? Ja. Wil je lekker samen chillen? Samen Netflixen? Hello amiga. It is now the next day and I am on my way to the doctor's office because there's a form that I need to fill out to get my payment for my maternity leave. So I'm on my way now to go get that fixed. After that I'm gonna check if the bakery is open because I would like to have some sandwiches, and I'm also gonna check if the doctor can prescribe me something for all these breakouts because it's been crazy since the 3rd trimester. I have so many breakouts on my jawline, and there specifically I think it's hormonal, but I thought it would go away once I've given birth, but it's still acting up and it's just not the move. So I'm gonna ask him right away if he can prescribe me something. But yeah, that's what's up this afternoon. Safi also has her doctor's appointment in the hospital. It's like her follow-up appointment since she was let go from the hospital. So they need to follow up on her, see how much she weighs now, things like that. So yeah, let's go to the doctor's office. Safi! Hi mama! Hi!
Heb je mama gezegd dat je tanden niet poetst? Oh, je mond, hè, want je bent tandeloos.
Hello!
Hey, Safi? My shift
Hi
is done.
mamas! Hi mamas! Are you gonna go ready for the doctor's appointment? Are we?
Zeg mama, mijn tanden, mijn mond moet gepoetst worden.
Okay.
Papa pest me. Papa pest me. Papa pest me.
Tutu baby? Tutu baby? Tutu baby?
Tutu baby.
Hey mamas! Hey! Applaus! Kijk eens, Safi. Eentje. Doksu.
Doxie.
Doxie. Patu. Eend. Je mee met je oogjes? Dat doe jij, hè?
Ik zeg gewoon van echt.
Doksu.
Je moet ook naar achter gaan, hè?
Doksu. Doksa. Hoe?
Doxie.
Doxie.
Maar jullie noemen het patu.
Patu.
Maar als je patu na doxie zegt, toch? Zeg je eigenlijk dokse gerecht in Suriname.
Oh, oei.
Doxie patu.
Doksu. Ja.
Waarom zeg je steeds doksu?
Oh, I don't know why I say that. Here. Your turn.
Leuk hè? Leuk hè? Ja hè? Ja hè? Ja hè? Leuk hè?
Houdt Safi van leren? Nu al?
Ze maakt je hoofd moe hè? Ja. Kijk, daar is het weer.
Doxie.
Kwak, kwak.
Kwak, kwak.
Wat wil je doen? Wat wil je doen? Ik kan niet doen met je spelen. Anders ga je alles weer overgeven. Wil je kaprol draaien?
Nee.
Wil je kaprol draaien?
Nee.
Huh? Kaprol?
Absolutely not.
Doe zo. Als je zegt, zeg ja, dit is ja.
Nee.
Saf, zeg ja. Ja.
Everything is good. Now we're going back home. Yes, Sophie. Alright, amiga, we are back home. Everything went well. Sophie is gaining weight. She's getting thick. So that's amazing. Look at her. Living her best life. But anyways, we came back home to a package from Naomi. Naomi is a friend of Benny's, and I thought I would show you the package. So it is a modern fruit basket, and this is what it looks like. On this side, it has all types of fruits. Like, look at that. And then on the other side, it has fruits and a little plushy toy for Sophie. That is so adorable. Thank you, Naomi. Say thank you, Naomi. Benny.
Thank you, Naomi.
Say thank you, Auntie Naomi. Say thank you. Thank you so much. This is so sweet and kind. Hey, Mama. Hello. Hey baby, Mama's gonna go outside for a little bit, okay? Be nice to Daddy. Daddy, be nice to my baby.
I will.
Okay.
Mama is nog niet eens wachtgesteld jou aan. Just the two of us. Hey. Just the two of us. Zeg dag mama.
Dag liefie, I love you.
Just the two of us.
Oké, tot strakjes.
Tot strakjes.
Hey amiga, today is a new day and I am heading towards the city. The weather is really good and I needed some fresh air, and also I need some hair products, especially hair wax. I'm running out, so Benny told me like, yeah, go, I'll watch the baby, and I decided to do it. It feels really weird to be outside without my baby, but she needs to gain 3 kilos before she can go outside. So therefore it's not the 3 of us going outside, but just me. But I'm gonna try to enjoy this little moment for myself. I also decided to get cute, like look at my makeup and everything. Did all of that, really tried to look good, you know? So yeah, let's go to the city. Alright amiga, I made it to the city and I just extended my subscription for the train and bus, and now I'm gonna go get something to drink at Starbucks, and then after that I'm gonna go and find my hair products at Jolie. So yeah, let's go to Starbucks. Ordered myself a chai latte and a pistachio loaf. Why is there paper around this thing? Tastes pretty good. Delicioso. I do miss my baby though. But Ben has sent me a video where she's just sleeping peacefully. So So she's fine. And she's with her dad, who also loves her so much. But it just doesn't feel complete without her, you know? Your girl is back home. I am now going to take off my makeup because I want to be able to cuddle and go completely in with my baby. She was a good girl as always. She was a perfect little angel, so that's amazing. But yeah, she's now sleeping, so I quickly want to take off my makeup, pump milk for her, and then be able to cuddle with her when she wakes up. Thought I would give you a little haul of what I bought at Jolie. First thing is this oats and honey soothing hair balm. This is from Amiga Organics. I've never used this before, but I thought I would give it a try. And I need something to moisturize my hair anyway, so thought that would be great. Then I have this Shine Mist from Cream of Nature. I had this one before, but I forgot it at my sister's place and never rebought it, but I really liked it when I had it. So I decided to buy that again. Then I bought a big jar of the Shine and Jam. This is my favorite hair wax. It just molds the hair perfectly in place. I love it, and this is my favorite color. I had the purple one and the pink one in the past. I like the pink one as well, but this one is my absolute favorite, and it's just really good to style your hair for braids, for things like that. So the Shine and Jam one in yellow. I also have a new shampoo. This is also from Cream of Nature, the Pure Honey line. This one I also had in the past. It's really good because it moisturizes the hair while you are shampooing the hair. I can also detangle my hair with this shampoo, and that is pretty rare for a shampoo. So yeah, thought I would buy it again. I really like it. I have like another one, but it has like, I'm really running out. So, and then I also have the Shea Moisture Curl and Shine hair mask. Normally I like the one in the brown, with the brown packaging. I think it's the Jamaican castor oil one, but they didn't have it. So I decided to go with this one, which you can't go wrong with this one either. And that's everything I got from Jolie. It was 62 euros for 5 products, which is kind of a lot, but I mean, being a black girl ain't cheap, okay? It ain't cheap. And now on to removing my makeup. All right, I'm gonna start with some makeup wipes by Epidemicsound. And I like to always double cleanse. So I'm using this micellar lotion in combination with the Epidemicsound makeup wipes. And I just take some of that in my hand. So sad because my makeup looked really good today, but it's gotta go. I hate it when I got makeup on my baby. I really don't like that. I really like to double cleanse because it really helps to break down the product even better and to really remove everything. If you don't double cleanse, then you need to get started because you're doing it wrong. Because so much makeup stays on your face. And I already have like hormonal breakouts now that I am no longer pregnant. I do not need any more drama on my skin. I go in with my makeup wipe and remove as much as possible. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is... Anyways, I'm so excited because tomorrow my mom is coming over with my sister and my stepdad, and they're gonna meet Safi for the first time. So tomorrow she's also 4 weeks, and on Sunday she will be 1 month old because she was born on February 10th. So I'm so excited. Time went so fast. If you don't know, why they're meeting her now, then I recommend watching my labor and delivery vlog. It should be up before this video. Yeah, I will link it in the little eye so you can check it out if you want to. But there I will go more into detail about like everything with my labor and delivery and why I wasn't able to have any visitors and all that. So yeah, that's that. It was hard, but it also had like its benefits because we didn't want to overwhelm Sophie, and she was really used to being in the hospital and stuff, and she needed to change from that environment to home. So she needed to be able to settle in slowly, and they really told us explicitly to not overwhelm her and have too much people over in the beginning. So we tried really not to do that. And yeah, therefore, right now, tomorrow, she's gonna meet her grandma and her auntie and her grandpa for the first time. So I'm really excited for that, and I missed my family, so I'm really happy that I get to see them as well tomorrow. Anyways, next up we're going in with the CeraVe Blemish Control Cleanser. It is something that I buy at my pharmacy, but I think you can find it online too, on boozy shops, things like that. So really good. And if you live in America, you can literally find this everywhere. CVS, Target. So I love this stuff. And next I take everything off with this wipe. This reusable makeup wipe. Feels so good to have a clean face. I love makeup, but this is the best part when you can take it off. I'll see you later or tomorrow. I think tomorrow because all my batteries are done. I need to charge them. So I'm gonna do that and then I'll check in with you tomorrow. Hi Amiga, what is up? It is now the next day and I'm showered. Sophie is showered and ready for the day. My parents are on their way to come see her for the first time. She has a special little bow in her hair and she also has a little, how do you call these her house slippers on. Just because today she is 4 weeks old, aka almost 1 month. Tomorrow she will be 1 month on the date. You know, she was born on the 10th and tomorrow is the 10th of March. So tomorrow she will be 1 month old. And yeah, we are excited. She just woke up, so I'm gonna feed her her bottle now. I just changed her diaper and she is all ready for grandma, grandpa, and auntie Nose. That's your bestie.
Tante you, baby. Ah, wat kom met haar met tante? Ah, wat kom je met tante?
Toen ik land erbij.
Dat is Printje. Ja, hé? Ja.
Quanta carga baby atrás dele?
Mas nem me deu nada aqui.
Leuk.
Ah, wat wil je doen nou?
Look at what Oma brought. That's so cute.
Oh, she's laughing.
See? We're gonna open some presents. This one is from Opa Eitel.
Alles goed, Ben?
Ja?
Ja, dat is goed, ja.
Ben je blij met die baby?
Beetje, heel veel.
Ja. Ja, toch?
Ja.
Gewoon zo weg. Dan ben je eigenlijk weg.
Ze heeft een beetje vuist.
Ook niet.
Elke dag is iets anders.
Ja.
Elke dag is
Hormonal breakouts.
Maar het gaat wel.
Ja, ik doe mijn best. Ik wil het niet kapot maken, maar ja, oké. Let me just do it, I guess. Mustard juweliers. Oh, maar zo lief. Oh, opa Aito, dat is zo lief. Oh, look at this. It's a tiny heart. Oh, that is so cute.
Je moet even oplaten.
Ben, kom eens.
Kijk dan, laatste.
This is the tiniest heart ever. So cute, mama's.
Waarom dan?
Nee, look. Dit is van opa Aito gehad.
Oh, dat is echt mooi.
Zo schattig. Ik heb nog nooit zo'n klein hartje gezien.
Dat is echt mooi.
Oh, Koesje, kijk wat je hebt gekregen, mama's. Kijk, Koesje.
Kijk dan.
Nou, joh.
Dus je geeft gewoon iets dit.
Ja, dat is zo sterk deze. Dat is wel gewoon niet.
Ah, dat is wel leuk. Hoop je. Dank je, Aito.
Ja, dat is wel chiquitito na. Ang balaw yung kuya Mayra na.
Dit is van mama. Dit is van grandma. Oma. Oh, sippy cup. Oh. Oh, look. Oh, that's so cute, a little toy. Oh, a little milk.
Dus,
See, a milk brush. So cute. And
kung ano chip mo.
oh, this is for all her pacifiers.
Hij is er wel niet.
Nee, is oké. Oh, wat lief.
Saan ka ba? Hindi kita skibo ka.
This is from Auntie Mayra. First thing. Oh, we got a whole bunch of outfits. Like, look at, look at this. Oh, what does it have on there? A romper. Oh, what cute. Let me see the herfst. Is and then we have this, this set. Oh,
Dat doet ook raar niet.
see,
Maria,
and a little dress. Maybe you're in
doon na
summer.
ka rin yung space.
Kijk, split.
Dodo. Is that the Adidas? Little shoes. I know you. Oh, look at look at this. Look. Look. More shoes. Oh, a tiny toy. Look, Kush. Look. Another one. Aw. Then some slabbertjes. How do you call these? Babados. Italy. More shoes. So many shoes. Another dress. Look.
Ay, diba?
Hindi tabay. Tanti Mayra ta onde tabay.
Mara pa try ka.
Bebe Bella, come back. Sa que passou chimi com uma meeting.
Ayo. Grande.
Zie je dat de baby is altijd maar grande.
Então, kasi pinterest
68. 68, toch dan?
Então, bem grande, 68. Quando eu tinha doa aí com o Jen.
Echt? Nou toch?
Sim. Wat je maakt na? Wat je er net bom?
68. Ja. Hier hier. Moet je thee nog staan?
Ah, ja, doe maar.
Ja? Ben had je ook thee gezet of water?
Ja.
Ja? Oké. Life is a beach. No zelfachteer. Willen mama ook zeggen? Oh, how cute. Believe in your dreams. Nou, that's a very good text. Happy Halloween.
Oh, November.
Happy Halloween. Mira aqui. Esta tutti.
Sunyeto.
Esta Lily. Thank you so much, Myra. This is so much and so sweet. Thank you so much. We really, really appreciate it. Mwah! The next one is from...
Nosa.
This one is from Nosa, all the way from Cabo Verde. Oh. Okay. Oh. Oh. It says her name. Like, look. Safar. This one is from Patrice. Patrice is my mom's colleague's daughter. That's for me. Oh. Hoera! Meisje. This is for me. Aw, thank you, Patrice. This is so cute. Ando oma kong onta tapa mama mire prome bia. Amiga naman da puntra.
Mami, é dia no hospital? Mami, no hospital?
Sim.
Ai, me sabe, mas eu leio aqui.
Sim, não?
Tá uma coxa. Uma da truncode, uma sua garganta.
Biga.
Sim. Pero Jenny, papi, não vai bau ante do logo bom sambo. Bom grita nenhuma hora. Até tenho uma água numa grita maranga acabei. Não digo nem bom assim.
Queen drama.
Não foi drama, não só na magoça. Ora nós já com a ajuda, you can this, you can do your best. Do your best. Rustig, moet je zo. Zo nós já se. Vamos huge. Vamos huge. Aqui, tu conta para uma tinha tititas.
Safi's 1 month old cake.
Beneath the starlit sky, our love's secret line, like leaves we soar so high. Beneath the moonlight, soft touch your hand in mine, gets me every time.